Hello friends, are you all keeping fine? We will continue to discuss on sleep. A person went to a doctor and reported to him, "Doctor, still I am not catching sleep." Doctor asked him, "In case if you are not catching sleep, I have told you to lie on the bed, close your eyes and start counting the numbers. Did you do that?" The person said, "Of course I did. I counted 80,072,422. When I did that, it was already the morning, so I got up, got ready, and came to you right away." Yes, dear friends, many people have asked me of how long a person needs to sleep. Here I am displaying to you the suggestion. It talks to you about how much an average person needs to sleep. I am not going to read it to you again because it typically tells you the average person's average need of sleep. It also tells you how much more at the most you can sleep or how much lesser you could sleep. But this more or less could get varied depending on so many variables. Of course, sex is the biggest variable here because a female person who has a menstrual period or who is carrying pregnant may need to sleep more, and the variables also could be like the food a person eats and the type of work the person does presently or in the past, the medical condition. If the person is sickly, that person may need to sleep more, the climatic condition, or in the situation in which a person has brought up. All those things can cause that. It is said that 1/3 of our life, all the lives need to sleep. During the day, our adrenaline secretes a hormone called cortisol that keeps us active during the day. And in the night, our pineal gland secretes something called melatonin, which is responsible for our sleep. Friends, people have asked me about quality sleep and quantity sleep. Regarding certain things in our lives, we cannot go by quality and quantity because they need both the quality and quantity. For example, food. You need a quality food and quantity also is needed. You cannot say, "I have tablets that consist of all vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, proteins, or any other thing that I need for my energy. So I am going to take a tablet in the morning and I will not eat anything on that day." Those tablets may give us the energy that we need, but we also have so many internal organs, they need to be functioning. If we don't give work to those internal organs, consequently they may fail. In the same way, sleep also is to be attended quality wise and quantity wise. I am able to understand from where you get the doubt. There are times we sleep and get up and feel fresh. There are times that we sleep and get up, but still we don't feel fresh. We feel tired and we are in want of sleep. It happens because of an important thing that happens during the sleep. Although sleep is one, it has many components. The major components are REM and NREM. REM is called rapid eye movement sleep. Rapid eye movement sleep is in which while a person is sleeping, you could observe that his eyeballs still keep moving. And the other one is called NREM sleep, perhaps a deep sleep where no movements in the eyeball or of the whole of the body. In case where you are intervened to wake up matters. I would like to talk to you more about REM sleep and NREM sleep in the forthcoming episode. Friends, continue to ask for clarification in the comment box. We will learn together. Please try to give your body quality sleep and quantity sleep, and try to keep your health fit and your mind also fit. All the best.